Most guys assume a hug is nothing special, just manners, a quick hello, or polite warmth. They miss the fact that inside those few seconds is a powerful switch for connection. When touch uses quiet psychological cues, it becomes a silent dialogue. Attraction forms faster than speech. Today, I'm sharing 4 subtle rules that turn an ordinary hug into a moment she remembers forever afterward. The biggest mistake men make is thinking touch means nothing by itself. Touch is a language. Her nervous system reads pressure, hand placement, and timing instantly. From that, she decides safety, confidence, and desire. When you learn this language, you speak value without trying. It works below logic. It feels natural. Let's start the 3 hug rules that create attraction instantly with the first hidden rule that changes everything for you right now. Rule 1. The 3 hug rules that create attraction. Instantly is the anchoring palm, and it begins with location where your hand rests, makes a statement. Many men choose the wart upper back or give a soft pat that signals friendship. Instead, place your palm firmly on her lower back, just above the tailbone. This zone connects to stability in the brain and communicates grounded masculine presence instantly, without effort, naturally, calmly, confidently, always. This area isn't romantic in a movie sense. It's neurological. When your hand rests there with calm, certainty, it slips past conscious judgment. Her body reads protection and leadership. It tells her you can hold space physically and emotionally. That quiet message is powerful. It doesn't ask, it declares. This is how touch establishes authority while still feeling safe and respectful for her deeply inside. The second rule is unwavering containment, where intention meets physics. A weak or hesitant hug signals doubt. It feels like permission seeking. Your embrace should close with steady, even pressure. Not squeezing, not collapsing, just solid. She should feel briefly enclosed by your frame. That sensation of being held creates comfort, and comfort quickly turns into trust and attachment without conscious effort from her side. The third rule is timing, the quiet chemistry of duration. A 2-on hug feels like a handshake. Between 5 and 7 seconds, something shifts. Oxytocin begins to release, and the nervous system softens. Many men pull away too early from fear. That fear is felt. Staying calmly present allows the moment to deepen until the outside world briefly, the release that makes you unforgettable, disappears for both of you there. Those extra seconds create a pause that feels suspended. Breath slows. Bodies sink. Her system relaxes into safety. This is where casual touch becomes emotional memory. Don't rush this space. Confidence lives here. If this is clicking for you, pause and support this message now, because the final rule is the detail that most men never notice. Understand at this crucial moment right now. The release. The release that makes you unforgettable. You matters as much as the hold ending abruptly breaks the spell. As you separate, let one hand trail slowly along her arm or lightly brush the side of her neck or hair. This touch is soft and intentional. It's a whisper, not a grab. Sensitive nerves there record the moment and leave a lingering sensory echo within her mind, body, and memory long. That faint final contact sends a message of trust and gentle dominance. Her skin remembers it. Her mind replays it. A phantom feeling remains even after you step away. She may not analyze why, but she will want that feeling again. This is how small details separate an average man from one who feels unforgettable without saying much at all to her emotionally deeply inside. Understand this clearly. Understand this. Attraction isn't built through speeches or lines. It's built through precision millimeter-level choices that speak directly to the subconscious. You now have a blueprint for turning a normal gesture into a powerful emotional key. Use it with respect. Use it with confidence. And only use it when your interest is real and sincere with her. Always, calmly, intentionally, slowly, wisely, responsibly. If this changes how you view future interactions, support the channel now. A simple like helps more than you think. For deeper insight into mastering unspoken attraction and presence, follow along here. Remember, influence lives in silence and touch. Practice with awareness.